Assalamualaikum. We are from Lucky Group. Today, we will gonna talk about strategic marketing plan on Adidas. Our product is whey protein. For situation analysis, Adidas was founded at Herzogenaurach, Germany on 18 August 1984. The company is one of the largest sportswear manufacturers in the world and have produced a lot of shoes, clothing, and accessories. The Adidas core brand is Adidas and Reebok, and under Adidas they have another 5 sub-brands which help to differentiate and boost the corporate brand. Figure 1 shows the product segmentation of Adidas. Our idea is to produce a whey protein. Adidas webpage have a lot information about nutrition, but they does not really have produced any product that related. Health supplement market is on a rise in Malaysia. There are high chance to produce and make sales from the supplement product, which is whey protein. Consumers are very aware of their well-being. In order to maintain their health, they do their hardest to stop medication and turn to health supplement. Next is SWOT analysis. First strength, there is 2, which is powerful brand and distribution network. While weakness has 3, which is outsourced manufacturing, few endorsement, new product line. For opportunities, it has 2 also, which is growing industries and smart material, and lastly is 3, which is competition and counterfeit products. NOR and other researchers have identified that 50% of respondents who reported consuming dietary supplement in the last 6 months. 40% and 30% of these customers purchase supplement product from chemists, pharmacies, drugstores, and direct sale outlets, respectively. For target market segment, we have demographic and psychographic. Under demographic, we have gender, which is male and female, while psychographic, we have social class and income segmentation.
Next is set the strategy direction, which is consists of 3 parts. The first one is marketing goals and objective. The second one is managing through the life cycle, and the third one is positioning. For marketing goals and objective, the goals of this new product is to increasing the annual revenue by 10% at the end of year, while for the objective it have 4, which is the first one is to motivate consumer for buying the new product of Adidas, which is whey protein, and the second one is to gaining the unit sold of Adidas product by 5%. The third one is to develop favorable customers experience with the new Adidas product, and the fourth is to encourage customer to repeat purchasing the Adidas product. Second part is managing through the life cycle of whey protein Adidas product. The first stage in product life cycle of this product is introduction. Usually in this stage is product has been developed, which then is being released into the market for the first time. When a new product is released, it is often with a high stake time in the product life cycle, even it not necessarily make or break the product eventual success. In this stage also, it's influenced the consumer to purchase the product and have experience with the product. As known that the demands of the product is not quite high in this stage, but it's also get the sense of how the consumer respond and develop with the product, if they dislike or like the product, and how successful it may be in the markets. After introduction of the product, we go to growth stage of the product, which is the second stage of product life cycle with protein Adidas. In this stage, the most of consumer are already know and buying the product. It means that the increasing of the product units can rise the sales. The product Adidas whey protein become proven and becoming more popular surrounding the customer. At the same time, in this part, the competitors of company become aware with the product and begin to draw attention towards the product of the competitors. As the result is the product whey protein growing in the market, and then it's typically to improve the function and features, so that sales in this stage is increasing and generating the revenue in the market share. Next, the third stage is maturity stage. The sales become too slow, and even stop signaling are largely signature in this stage, but in this stage, the whey protein start to drop and decrease the sale of unit of the product. At the same time, in this stage is the competitors tend to get the signal margin shrinking as the price begin falling due to the many competitions, and at the same time it getting the lower demand of the product. In this stage also, the sales volume getting maxed out, and in this part, it's begin the innovating to maintain or to increase our market share, and at the same time we getting to develop to get a new demographic and developing the new technology inside the product. While for the last stage is decline, In this stage is the product sales become drop, and the consumer behavior change into the new product at the outsides, and then the company become lose more and more the market share, and the competition tends to cause sales to decline, and the marketing in this decline stage is often minimal and target at the loyal customer, and the price of the product become reduced. It's eventually the product will be retired out of the market, but unless we use the redesign the product so it can remain relevant or in demand to the customer at the outside of the market. The third part is positioning. Okay, positioning is the ability to influence the consumer perceptions regarding a brand or product. It's come from any company or competitors. The objective of this positioning in the market usually to establish the image or identity of the brand or the product, so the customer perceive in it in certain way. Therefore, in this positioning of Adidas product, it consists two, which is positioning concept and positioning strategy. Positioning concept in this product whey protein Adidas, it's indicate of the management that desire to position the product, and for this concept of whey protein is functional. As known that whey protein is the product that produced to give the consumer an experience on product, and at the same time one of the supplement that can consume by the customer, whether from female or male, of course it from adults. The product is give many several function to the consumer that consume it, which is they give a good stamina for them, even they're doing the heavy job or doing the exercise, the huge exercise or the risk exercise. While for the positioning strategy, in this part we using the brand strategy. The brand strategy in this part is as known that the brand strategy is a long-term plan which develop of successful brand in order to achieve certain specific goals. So Adidas is a name that every country know about and what the company is selling in the market in Malaysia. So from the brand, Adidas known that company is that selling shoes for sports. That's why the whey protein that has come out for a new product that produced by Adidas, which is have a lot of benefit. So besides they go to buy shoe, but at the same time they get buy supplement for their healthy life and body. So using the brand strategy is the good way to making a decision on putting the price of whey protein. So it's become more easily, and the customer at the same time the consumer have known and have the high trust and confidence when they're purchasing the product.
Market research. Scope of the research. This research will be study about the manufacturing new product of Adidas, which is whey protein supplement. For the research objective, the objective of the study is to target the market strategy of Adidas whey protein product. Question: how Adidas intro whey product as Adidas new product, and can this product survive in the market? Thus, Adidas convenient to develop whey protein as the new product. And what is customers' preference of whey protein attribute as Adidas new product? This part is design the marketing offer. Adidas whey protein will be offering their customer the organic ingredients so that they can gain customer trust. The quality of this product must match Adidas brand quality. Society nowadays are more aware in buying supplement. Adidas will be innovated other brand to provide a better whey protein supplement for the customer.
Next is monitor and control. There are several ways to monitor and control marketing performance throughout marketing plan FNC. First is feedback. The feedback mechanism, validity and reliability. The company will use survey and forum to start product conversation and see what customer want or would like to see improvement in the product. Next monitor and control is target market sales, like diet shake for the LTH. Infants formula provide the whey protein. Weight loss supplement use whey protein as an appetite suppressor. An example which is young men purchase whey protein powder by the gallon in hope of building muscle mass. Next is long-term perspective is also monitored and controlled for this product. The brand personality build long-term value, which is For example, Adidas brand in this product will control and monitor that whey product also show a potential for lowering blood sugar. Next is effectiveness cost benefit perspective, which is the cost will increase when the demand increase. So the percentage increase required management team because it's also affect the internal cost as well. So effective cost benefit is very important. For this, our monitor and control. Next is ideation. For the ideation, well-known products come out with new products line. The new products, which is whey protein, is the best solution to increase the demand to the target market. Understanding the target market and the buying influence or behavior of consumer are imperative to the process. The firm must remain true to the mission statement, consumer, shareholder, and the community to be viewed as an ethical organization that individuals would like to invest in their products. Brand loyalty is the one way to target audience into invest through the product. Innovation to the new products line, which increase the effort of marketing strategy to plan more initiative, whether for the packaging, design, price,